Well, hello everybody. It seems that we're having more technical difficulties with this OBS stuff, and I cannot show you the meta-ray conversation, but you'll still be able to hear it. We're still going to be doing the comparison of the recipes like we did before, and we're about to start this week. This week's recipe is the Syrian chicken wraps with Toum sauce on the side. So, hey Meta, please give me a recipe for Syrian chicken wraps with Toum.
Here's a simple recipe. Marinate chicken in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and sumac. Grill, then wrap in pita with tomatoes, onions, and tahini sauce.
Hey, Mira, can you give me a step by step recipe of what you just told me?
Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless chicken, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon sumac, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 4 pita breads, 2 tomatoes, sliced, 1 onion, sliced, tahini sauce, store-bought or homemade. Steps: 1. Marinate chicken in olive oil, garlic, sumac, and lemon juice for 30 minutes. 2. Grill chicken until cooked. 3. Warm pita bread. 4. PUHE. Assemble wraps with chicken, tomatoes, onions, and tahini sauce. Enjoy!
Okay, Meta, um, I'm already going to throw you a curveball. I've already cooked all the chicken because I want to do it as a pulled chicken type of chicken wrap with the Lebanese Syrian flavors and the Toum. So I've already cooked about 15 small chicken breasts, and I want to do it as a pulled type of sauce. Can you give me the Syrian sauce again, please?
Sounds delicious. In that case, just shred the cooked chicken and mix it with a bit more olive oil, garlic, sumac, and lemon juice. Then assemble the wraps as before, adding the pulled chicken instead.
Okay, can you give me a recipe for the marinade, please?
Here's a simple marinade recipe: 1/2 cup olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 teaspoons sumac, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Mix well and toss with shredded
Stop.
chicken.
Hey, Meta, I don't have any lemon juice. Can I use apple cider?
Apple cider vinegar can work in a pinch, but use half the amount since it's more acidic. You could also try a bit of pomegranate molasses for a similar tangy flavor. Want to adjust the recipe?
Please adjust the recipe using olive oil and mayonnaise and lemon pepper and apple
Sure.
cider vinegar.
Since you're using apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice, try 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in the mix. It'll add a bit of tang, but balance it with a pinch of sugar if it's too sharp. How does that sound for the marinade? Here's the marinade we discussed. Mix 1/2 cup olive oil, 4 cloves minced garlic, 2 teaspoons sumac, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice, a pinch of lemon pepper, and salt to taste. Stir it up, then toss with your pulled chicken. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors soak in. Ready to give it a go?
Sure.
Got it. Here's the marinade we adjusted. Mix 1/2 cup olive oil, 4 cloves minced garlic, 2 teaspoons sumac, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice, a pinch of lemon pepper, and salt to taste. Toss with your pulled chicken and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Ready to try it?
Yes. Can you please give me the step by step now?
Sure. Here's the step by step. Mix 1/2 cup olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons sumac, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, swapped for lemon juice, and salt, pepper to taste. Stir it up, then toss with your pulled chicken. Let it sit 10 to 15 minutes. Ready to mix it?
Yes.
Got it. Here's the marinade. Mix 1/2 cup olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons sumac, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and salt, pepper to taste. Toss with shredded chicken and let it sit 10 to 15 minutes. Ready to try it?
Yep, but I'd like to add a few different things as well too, because once upon a time, my friend, who I'm actually doing this recipe for, showed me a really nice chicken, and it had like I think it was mixed with yogurt as well too. The Syrian chicken for the marinade. Is there a possibility you might have some marinade with a yogurt in it?
Got it. A yogurt based marinade is a great call for tender, flavorful chicken. Try mixing 1/2 cup plain yogurt with 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, a pinch of sumac, and a squeeze of lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. It'll add a nice tang and keep the chicken juicy. Want to tweak it further for your friend's taste?
Yeah, we also like turmeric.
Turmeric's a great addition. Try adding about 1/2 teaspoon to the yogurt marinade we talked about earlier. It pairs well with cumin and garlic. Just mix it in with the yogurt, garlic, sumac, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Want to tweak the amount for a stronger flavor?
No, but I would like to tweak the amount to be for, like I said, about 26 small chicken breasts that will be shredded using a hand blender.
Sure. I'll save a reminder. Scaling up the marinade ingredients for 26 small chicken breasts. When should I remind you?
Remind me right now.
Sure. I've set a reminder for tomorrow at 4:13 p.m.
Hey, Meta,
Do you
could you give me the adjusted recipe for approximately 26 small chicken breasts shredded?
for 26 small chicken breasts? Double the marinade. 1 cup yogurt, 4 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and a squeeze of lemon. Mix well, then toss with shredded chicken. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Easy peasy.
Hey, Meta, we need to substitute yogurt with mayonnaise, please.
Try this. For 26 small chicken breasts, mix 1 cup mayonnaise with 4 cloves minced garlic, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and a squeeze of lemon. Toss with shredded chicken and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Again, we don't have the squeeze of lemon. We have apple cider instead of the lemon. So could you substitute the apple cider with lemon, please?
No problem. Replace the lemon with 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. So it's 1 cup mayo, 4 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Toss with shredded chicken and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you. There we go. That's better. There you go. That's what it looks like. And I had a taste even before letting it sit for the 30 minutes, and it's amazing. Yeah.
meant Toum, a Syrian garlic dip. It's simple. Blend garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. Want the recipe?
Yes, please.
Classic Toum recipe. 1 cup garlic, 1/2 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup olive oil. Blend until smooth. Add salt to taste. Enjoy with veggies or pita.
Hey, Meta, I have no lemon juice. Can I use lemon pepper?
Lemon pepper's not the same, but it'll work. Just omit the salt, as lemon pepper's savory. Try 1/4 teaspoon if needed.
Hey, Meta, can you give me the full recipe now, please?
Sure. Mix 1 cup garlic, 1/4 cup lemon pepper, and 1/4 cup olive oil. Blend until smooth. Add a pinch of salt if needed.
Which is a cucumber. Hey, Meta, pause. Okay, so the salad we have here is 2 tomatoes diced, 1 cucumber diced, a half an onion diced, sliced and diced, sorry. Parsley, we don't have any. Olive oil is in there, lemon apple cider is in there, and we have to do a half a teaspoon of sumac and salt and pepper. So sumac's got to go in there. All right.